what I've experienced and my students have shared with me after going through how to meditate is that meditation is surprisingly easy to do, and that it's very relaxing. It feels really good. To me, it's like an inner vacation, something I look forward to in my day. It's not a chore. And so hopefully you will have that same experience. The other thing with meditation is you don't need to meditate in lotus with your fingers like this. You can sit comfortably or even lie down. And again, you can meditate anywhere, which really means anywhere you can think a thought, except driving. And the other thing is you can meditate at any moment. So you don't have to wait for a special moment to meditate. So right now, without even closing your eyes, just begin to bring your awareness inside and begin to notice the subtle energy that's flowing in your body, the subtle energy flowing throughout your being. Notice any inner sensations. I'm just going to be aware of yourself while you're listening to me. So did anyone notice a shift, a change in their awareness in that exercise? Yeah. Show of hands, please. Okay, great. Thank you. So that's how simple meditation can be. It can be just bringing our awareness into the moment. And this is an exercise that you can do anytime in your daily life, particularly when you start to feel overwhelmed or stressed or too much to do. Just bring your awareness inside and you'll notice a shift. The thing is we consume so much of our energy usually focused on the future or on the past. That's where our thoughts are. They're anticipations or memories. And we consume a lot of energy thinking about our future, our concerns, our plans, and even just the next thing we're doing. We're kind of always thinking. And even worse yet, we spend time worrying. And as Mark Twain said so well, I'm an old man and I've suffered a great many misfortunes, but most of them never happened. That's worry. So we can also spend our energy thinking about the past, which is anything that's happened before this moment. So meditation is really about bringing our awareness into the here and now. And when we do that, we usually have a better experience, no matter what we're doing. So what happens in meditation? Well, there's two things that happen that are very unique about meditation. And one is that it creates a really deep state of rest that's actually deeper than the deepest point of sleep. Within just a few minutes of meditation, the body goes into this deep state of rest. And what does the body do at rest? Anyone? Heals, relaxes. That's right. So it heals, relaxes, we repair, we rejuvenate. So that's the deep rest is one of the reasons why meditation has so many profound health benefits. And the second thing that happens in meditation is our awareness changes. We can connect to an expanded part of ourselves that is usually more calm, open, connected to possibility, creative, connected to spirit. And so that's why we meditate, to heal and to expand at the same time.
Letting go of the need to get anything. And withdraw yourself outside environment.
So let's go ahead and move into our first seated meditation practice. So for this, just begin by closing your eyes. We're going to be doing a breathing awareness meditation. But in this meditation, you actually don't need to control your breathing in any way. But just begin to simply observe your breathing. Just notice it. When thoughts come in, or you notice sounds, just shift your awareness very gently and easily back to your breathing. No need to force or concentrate. Nothing to do. And now, very slowly, open your eyes. So how many of you experienced a sense of quieting down or relaxing? Okay, great, a lot of you.